This turned out to be one of my most beautiful prints I have ever done. This exceptional model is called Desert's Kiss and was designed by Ars Moriendi. It is available for free from Thingiverse, Printables, and from Ars's own website. See the links in the description. The filament I used was metallic tungsten and copper SBS, which was made by Philex from Paro, Cape Town. The printer settings was 230 degrees for the nozzle, 70 degrees for the bed, and 0 fan and 0 supports. You heard that right, 0 supports. Okay, let's kick things up a gear. Since this is a dice tower, it would make sense to cast some dye through the eyes. 3 reasons that I like to use a dice tower is that it helps to prevent cheating, it helps to keep the dye on the table, and it looks really, really cool. Your reasons may differ, but if only used as an ornament, that's already good enough. The color transition we have on this model is very unique. The spool we used was the result of a changeover between colors during manufacturing, and what we were left with was just enough filament to produce this print. There may never be another model printed in this particular color transition. Unless, of course, we ask Philex very nicely to make us some more. If you would like a spool with this particular color, please let us know in the comments and we'll relay the message. Here's just a quick example of what it looks like in natural light and not using some camera lighting. Look at that sheen. I really have to thank Mr. Moriendi for producing this incredible model. Well done. And the no supports really is awesome. Woohoo! Thank you for watching, and please, go print your own one now.
Throw your die through my eye! I don't mind, 'cause I'm made of plastic!